Aussie pay packets growing faster. We reveal the health stock that rocketed today, and the Perth gaming house going big time. Trading Up, a collaboration by the West Australian and Grapher. This episode is brought to you by Optus Stadium. We'll start with the word of the day, and it's wages. Figures out today show Aussie pay packets are up 3.7% on last year, the fastest growth in 10 years. The biggest increase went to education and training. Although wages are rising again, the amount we get in our back pocket each month still isn't keeping up with inflation. Prices are still rising at 7%, and that's nearly double the rate that wages are growing. A new airline will hit the skies in July, bringing more flights to regional WA. Nexus Airlines will offer flights from Karratha, Port Hedland and Broome, as well as a new service between Perth and Geraldton. A $4 million investment from our own state government will mean prices are capped for some flights as well. A big meeting between Joe Biden and Anthony Albanese was cancelled today because the US president has to stay home to sort out his country's debt problem. The US government's in danger of running out of cash by the 1st of June if a deal can't be struck in the Congress this week. So old Joe decided to ditch the proposed meeting scheduled for next week in Sydney to broker a deal back at home. See you next time, Joe. On to the markets now, and Grapher's dark horse of the day is European lithium. Shares in the WA-based miner have jumped just over 27% in the last 30 days. The company, which owns lithium reserves in Austria, announced a tie-up with US investment firm Sizzle earlier this month. The two plan to list the combined entity on the US-based Nasdaq exchange soon. Man, that lithium train is certainly gathering speed. Still to come, the healthcare stock that went gangbusters today, and how a Perth gaming house raised cash for expansion. Stay tuned. A new player will be hitting the ASX soon. Sydney-based chemicals importer Redox. The family-owned company, which supplies chemicals to manufacturers, will list on the stock market next month. The founding Corneliano family is offering about a 30% stake in the business, which is worth about $420 million. And Apple will allow iPhones to be used to accept payment for the first time in Australia. And Westpac's the first bank to switch on the service. The US tech giant will now allow iPhone users to accept payments direct to their phone without the need for an additional payment terminal. Tap and go, people, tap and go. Staying with technology, and virtual reality gaming firm Ready Team One is about to hit the big time. And in true millennial style, they've raised the funds through crowdsourcing. The Perth-based business drummed up $600K from an online equity platform, Virtual, to fund their expansion plans.
Forget what you thought you knew about virtual reality experiences, because we just turn your entire body into a game controller.
Apart from expanding nationally, co-founder James Tang said international expansion is now top of mind for Ready Team One. They've already licensed their technology to an operator in Italy. And finally, that healthcare stock that sparked a trading frenzy today, Rhythm Biosciences. Shares in the Melbourne-based biotech soared 98.5% today on news that the UK had approved its cancer drug. You can find out more business news content from thewest.com.au, or to see all the data and insights behind this video, check out grapher.com. Thanks for joining me on this special episode of Trading Up. I'm Heidi Cuthbert. See you next time.